Hello everyone, welcome back. Next topic in basic JavaScript. Use bracket notation to find the last character in a string. In order to get the last character of a string, you can subtract 1 from the string's length. For example, where first name equal to Charles in double quotes, you can get the value of the last letter of a string by using first name dot length minus 1 in bracket notation. Example, where first name equal to Charles, and we have already seen first name in bracket notation first name dot length minus 1, so that it will give the last character of the string. The task for this challenge: use bracket notation to find the last character in the last name variable. Okay, so first of all, we'll give bracket notation, then last name variable dot length method, length property minus 1, and it should give the result. Run the test and it's successful. Download my solution, and thanks everyone for watching. See you in the next video. Till then, bye bye.